we came to Wings and Things. I'm in my car because I have a quick lunch break, and then I have to go pick up Mila right now, so I don't have a lot of time. But usually what I get is the #1 combo, which is the boneless chicken like they're the chicken tenders, and I get mild, and I get blue cheese. So oh my god, I'm so hungry. We're gonna be trying them, guys. Look how good these look. This is like my go-to order. And then their breadsticks. They hit different, you guys. Their breadsticks are bomb. It's hot. So good. I also got Powerade. A little fun fact, you guys. I don't drink any caffeine, so every time I go out and I need somewhere, siempre agarro either Sprite, lemonade, or Powerade, because I can't have any caffeine whatsoever. I'm like super sensitive. I start like freaking out so bad.